From Cape Town to Cairo, the sun rises the same. Different tongues, different names, but the heart beats no change. Red soil, blue sea, mountains touch the sky. We were born of one mother. Tell me why we say goodbye. When we raise our hands in anger, love has nowhere to hide. We are one Africa. We are the world. No need for fighting when our flags unfurl. It's painful to see South African fight another land. Let's join hand in hand. If you cross the border, respect the law, that's true. Visa in your pocket, passport too. Let's build, not break. Let's stand side by side. We are one Africa with nothing to divide. Every country got its rules, every land its own way. Respect the house you enter, that's what elders say. We can trade our songs, our food, our dreams, our life, but bullets and borders made of hate ain't right. When one nation bleeds, the continent feels the pain. We rise to go that's stronger, or we all lose in the rain. We are one Africa. We are the world. No need for fighting when our flags unfurl. It's painful to see South African fight another land. We're sisters and brothers. Let's join hand in hand. If you cross the border, respect the law, that's true. Visa in your pocket, passport too. Let's build, not break. Stand side by side. We are one Africa with nothing to divide. Lay down the gun, pick up the drum. Let the rhythm call us. Everyone come from Dakar to Durban, Lagos to Mombasa. One rhythm, one people, one Africa. We are one Africa. We are the world. No more war songs. Let peace be heard. It's painful to see family turn away, but today we choose love. Today we say, if you go to another country, honor their way. Passport, visa, respect every day. We're sisters and brothers, born of the same sky. We are one Africa, together we fly.